Are you looking to launch your website faster than you can say drag and drop? Then stick around, because today we're diving deep into Jimdo, the website builder promising simplicity and speed. First up, ease of use. Jimdo boasts an incredibly intuitive interface. Seriously, it's hard to get lost. Creating an account is straightforward. Just pop in your email and a password, or sign up with Google or Facebook. Once you're in, you're greeted with a super clean editor. Jimdo focuses on a structured approach, which means you won't be dragging elements all over the place freely like some other builders. Instead, you add sections, and then populate those sections with content. This can be great for beginners who want a little guidance. Let's talk designs. Jimdo offers a respectable selection of templates. They are categorized nicely by industry, so you can find something that suits your brand's aesthetic while the designs are modern and clean. Keep in mind that the level of customization available isn't as extensive as some other platforms. Now, pricing. Jimdo offers a few different plans, including a free option. The free plan is quite limited, but it's a great way to test the waters. The paid plans unlock more features, like a custom domain, increased storage, and priority support. What about features? Jimdo has you covered with essential tools. It has e-commerce capabilities, allowing you to sell products directly from your site. Basic SEO tools are included to help you get found on Google. And there's a simple blogging platform if you want to share your thoughts. So, is Jimdo right for you? If you're looking for a super quick and easy way to create a simple and effective website, especially for a small business or personal project, Jimdo is definitely worth checking out. It prioritizes speed and simplicity over advanced customization. Now you can decide if Jimdo is the best option for your website.